Hey there, welcome to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video, I'm going to clean up my desk space here. It is in bad need of reorganization. There are so many cute planner things on my desk that I just love, but I can't concentrate when planning. So if you guys want to see me clean up and organize my desk space, then keep on watching. Hi, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yeah, keep things fun and functional here. In my planner world, I'm passionate about planning and I love sharing with you my creative tips, so I hope that you will stick around. So this is my office / studio space. It's where I do a lot of my content creating, and my desk is in the middle of my office here. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little pan on my desk of everything that is on it. Like, I have a lot of cute planner things, and don't mind this, I'm about to clean off the desk. So a lot of it is pen stuff. Like, I don't know how I accumulated so many pens. Also picked up a new caddy. This is a second one from CONDREN. It's like a cute organization caddy. It's miniature and I love it, and it's for me to take around like downstairs or something, so I don't have to carry everything. It's just hard because I can be very indecisive and I love all the things. So yeah, I have a lot of these organizers from CONDREN, and I just feel like I need a refresh. So I'm kind of just panning for you guys to see what it looks like before. The first thing I'm going to do is take everything off this desk and wipe it down and everything and get it clean. It is a large desk. So if I pan you up, it's a large desk. It's an IKEA desk. It's just a flat top. I did paint it in quarantine time with like rainbows with my daughter. I feel like that's getting a little old to me. So eventually I'm gonna either paint over it white again, or I'm gonna put some contact paper down. I'm not really sure yet, but that eventually will be replaced. But anywho, the first thing we're gonna do is clean off this desk. Okay, the first thing that I had on my desk was this rotating organizer by CONDREN. It is the large size. So a lot of this stuff is miscellaneous that's just been collected on my desk. It's not really organized the way I wanted it, but I kind of wanted to share with you guys some ideas to put in this organizing container. It's really cool. It kind of detaches from the side. It is in this kind of new color palette that they're doing with like these purple tones, but then it has like this, I feel like this has a peach tone. But anywho, I love that the compartments come out. Even this one, it's like a little cylinder there. And it has the mid-century circle decal on the front, which is really cute. So what you can put in here is things for your crafts for your kiddos. Of course, this is really great for planners because we collect a lot of things. You could also just use this for whatever miscellaneous stuff that you have around the house. They actually fit the Happy Planner tiny sticker books in here, and I thought that could be a good use, but I really want to try this out with a bunch of different pens. I have lots of brands, so I'm deciding whether or not I want to dedicate this to CONDREN, because I have this miniature one, which I started off in my planner space. This is just a rotating one from, I think, Home Goods or TJ Maxx, but it has little specks of holographic glitter on there, and it's clear. I definitely prefer either clear or white. When it comes to organization in my space, I just like the look of it because I have so many things that are colorful, but I love the rotating organization bins. So I definitely want to see what this looks like with just CONDREN writing tools. It looks like empty, and I just want to give you guys a heads up, like if you put pens in there with the writing portion upside down, it will write on the little containers there. But I'm gonna try to clean these out, the ones that had pen in them, and this one needs to be cleaned out. So you can see how that just comes apart. It's just like on a rotating little tray here. So I'm going to clean that out. And yeah, again, you can put in here scissors, glue, tape, washi. Like if you don't have a lot of stuff, I think this is a really great tool to have on your desk where you just have everything that you need in this little container. Any of these like rotating organizers would be great, but because I have so much of everything, I need to figure out a way to kind of free my desk space up, but kind of put on here what I typically like to use a lot. So yeah, again, this could be used for washi, stickers, pens, markers, glue, tape, like all the essentials that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out and see what it looks like with all the ERIN CONDREN writing tools in it. Okay, so we can see that I have some empty pockets here, and this is all the ERIN CONDREN planning writing tools that I have. So this is not gonna work. So what I have in here is the dual tip markers, the ones that correspond with the same colored ink, and then ones with the black ink. Then I have the fine tip. These are like ultra fine. That's what I need to say, because these are really ultra fine. I like these. These are the stamps, the dual-ended like stamps and writing end. And then the OG ones here, I have like all the colors. The highlighters by Hello Kitty, which are so cute. I had these organized by highlighters and then, you know, by the type of pen that they are. But I kind of wanted to utilize this differently. And then I have these, which are really cool. And they have come out with like new pens. I also have, oh, they actually came out with a new color set for the focus line. I couldn't think of it, but I think there's like a pastel set, which I kind of want. I am definitely more someone who enjoys like the pastel colors than the more neutral color tones. So anywho, I have those. Those are double-ended. They're kind of like, I feel like there's nothing different from these. They just have a different packaging. And these metallic ones, which are really cool. I think these are worth picking up. And then their other highlighters, which were these chunky, basic highlighters. Okay, friends, so I'm going to keep it like this. I think this is what I'm going to stick with, and we'll just see how it goes. Again, if I don't like it, I can always reorganize it. So what I did, instead of just sticking by brand, because obviously I have a lot of different brands going on, I have ERIN CONDREN, I have Zebra, lots of Zebra, I have Tombow, and then all these miscellaneous, my favorite black pens, which I used to keep in my drawer. So my desk here has 2 sets of Alex drawers next to me. And make sure you subscribe so you can see what's in those drawers. And I will definitely share with you how I reorganize that, because I'm going to try to hit every little space in my studio space because it just needs a refresh. And I'm a big procrastinator because I get overwhelmed, but it needs to be done. So I'm just going to take it little by little. And so today is just my top desk space. So again, make sure you subscribe because this is not going to go on my desk. This is just going to be too much on my desk. Again, I want to have this a little bit free so there's not a lot of shadowing. If I have too much on my desk, it also takes away from filming and when I do photos and things. But anyways, this is going to go somewhere else. So again, make sure you subscribe so you see where this goes in my space. However, this little mini one, I gave a refresh as well. And so I think this is the one that's going to stay on my desk because I really love it. And so what I did is I actually have more stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. I have more stuff like old matte pencils, Staedtler pens, Papermate, Sharpies, like the fat ones. They're all like in cups and things. So again, I need to stop buying writing tools. But anywho, this is a lifesaver. I can get so much on here. So in the middle, I just kept the scissors and glue sticks and things like that. Here is the miscellaneous ERIN CONDREN stuff. I'm just going to keep it here for now. And then I have like these, the Focus small pack. This has a mixture of the ultra fine markers with the metallic pens. I'm kind of organizing how my brain works. So that's kind of how I'm doing this. I know a lot of people go by color or they go by brand, but this is going to go by just everything that I have in its place. So I hope that makes sense. I picked these to go together because of the size. So these are like both skinny, but I have like ultra fine and metallic. So if I want to use this, I'd be like, okay, I'm going to take these because this has an ultra fine and this has a more of a thicker nub. So that's something fun to play with. These are black pens, but some of them are like colored packaging and they're kind of newer. So I just decided to keep those there, and it splits it up. So it's not all one color. Then these are all my zebra pens. I accumulated a lot of zebra stuff when I went to Go Wild. That was my sponsor table. So I have a lot from them. I am good on mild liners. Like, I got the big desk collection. So I already had like mild liners. Then I got that desk collection. So it was like a lot. So I have double the colors, and these are just the originals double-ended. I have the brush, which are my favorite, on the other acrylic organizer that we need to get to. These are all my black pens, again, that were in my drawer. So I just decided to put them in here kind of to break this up a little bit. And then again, these are all the ERIN CONDREN stamps, and I put the dry erase markers in here, and then the little colored twisty things that they gave me to review and share with you all. But yeah, like that. And then this mini one has the old school double-ended ERIN CONDREN. I have some matte pencils here that I kind of want to play with, so I'm going to keep this on my desk. These are the Archer and Olive ones. Some highlighters, Hello Kitty, and then I got all the colors by the Zebra Click Art. I really like these. I haven't used the colors, but I've used the black one. I took it with me on a road trip on vacay, so I really like it. And then highlighter, gotta have highlighters. And then on this side is more of like, you know, just to play with creative specialty markers. So these are the change color, which I already have something like this by Uli. Is that how you pronounce it? I forget. I got these from Amy Tangerine at her launch party. So yeah, those are the same type of marker, but they're smaller. All right, so let's get to the rest of my desk. Kind of want to show you what I have on my desk before I rearrange this. Okay, so I have both of these ERIN CONDREN acrylic organizers. They're super cute. Like, these are for your planners. They're really great for petite planners. So I need to decide to keep one instead of both. So again, I'm trying to free up my desk space so I can have plenty of space for filming. It just gets too cluttered. So this one here has my past petite planners. And the reason why I keep them on my desk is because if I'm sitting down, I like to reference back to them, because currently that's what I'm using is a daily petite planner or the EC folio. And then this one here just has this one that I bought that's just a plain journal that I would use for either faith journaling or just don't know yet. So I don't know if this needs to be on my desk at the moment. This is my next volume to plan in. So this is the current one. And then I have an extra line note petite planner. And then this is my pet one. This has some information in here about my pets. So I have this here so I could pull it out and plan in it. So that's why I have these three in here. Again, I only need one. And so what I'm going to do also is I have the mild liner. This is what's left when I was pulling stuff to reorganize. I have these cute highlighters down here that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love these. These actually swatch a different color. They're not like repeats. They're more pastel-y. And yeah, I love the print on them. They're so cute. But yeah, we'll have to rearrange this. Okay, I'm deciding to keep this one on my desk, and this one I'm going to put somewhere else in my space. So again, make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of how I organize my office space. So this one, I decided, I love the way these stack like this. I love the way they look. So this is all my mild liners. These are the brushed ended one, which are my favorite. Again, I have mild liners for days. And then I really wanted to have color dots at my desk. So I have the ones that you guys saw me review. So I have the zig ones, and then I have the shuttle art. And the reason why I just have both, because they are in different colors. So this will keep on my desk, and this is going to go somewhere else. And then on this one, I have in here just those pretty zebra pastel highlighters. Again, those are from Hobby Lobby. And then, yeah, I have the Sharpie S Notes. These were in a little bag on another shelf. I decided to put these highlighters down here. Okay, so I'm going to kind of pan you around my desk space here. You can see the clutter in the background. So I have my ERIN CONDREN acrylic organizer there. It used to be on the bookshelves, but I decided to keep it down here. So here's the little rotating organizer, super cute. This is just a fun little, I feel like it needed some kind of decor up here to kind of split this up. I don't know, but this is just a happy planner divider for my mini happy planner, and I think it's really cute. It's from Missmaker, so I love that. Then I decided to keep this tray. I really didn't change anything on here that much. I have my Simply Gilded sticker kits. I have these bookmarkers from ERIN CONDREN, some binder clips or planner clips, some sanitizer and lip balm, some paper clips, and then sticky notes, and then this cute little, it's kind of a package opener. I have my first swatch book. This is a mini micro from Happy Planner, some small sticker books for me just to get to, and then these are sticky note booklets from ERIN CONDREN. So I just love this. It's like a tiny acrylic caddy further down. So I decided to put my other acrylic organizer. This is from ERIN CONDREN. Decided to keep it on my desk so I can kind of use them more. But it's really pretty. I love it. So I have like Planny Thing, Simply Gilded, Live Love Posh, and then one from Cocoa Daisy and Wrong Wrong. So that just fits in there real nicely. And then this is the ERIN CONDREN caddy or organizer. I don't know why I keep saying caddy. That I decided to keep. And then I have a space for my planners, which is my folio and my ERIN CONDREN A5, which fit perfectly there. And then this is my washi organizer that you guys see me switch out all the time, and I need to do that soon. So that's how I have everything laid out, and then I have this huge space. Again, this desktop is pretty big. I like to have everything off to the back side. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little tour of my top desk space and me cleaning everything. And I know a lot of it was just pens and things, but I'm hoping to show you guys more here soon. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.